Is your donated car going to help someone with transportation of their own?
Or is it going to auction?
Cars for Heroes takes donated cars, fixes them up to make them mechanically sound and safety inspected, then awards the vehicle to a veteran or first responder in need. Not all cars can be repaired, some are sold for scrap. That money goes to repairing other vehicles. We've been assisting our heroes since 1996, helping all over the nation. At Christmas, car dealers join us for our biggest event, 25 cars awarded, all one morning. Apply or donate at carsforheroes.org. You can change someone's life.